Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, and if you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Nessie K, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. I really appreciate. And today guys, we are back to Upper Hill and Nairobi, Kenya, and today's video is an update of the Upper Hill Viaduct road. And for those who are not aware of this project, it is a 2.9 billion Kenyan shillings project, which is among the major projects in Kenya. And it is a project that began in 2021, and it is expected to be complete by the end of 2023. So guys, watch the video to the end. Remember to give it a like and share with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing. This is a channel that I give you update on the infrastructural development that are taking place in our country. And if you have an area that you'd like covered, kindly leave a comment in the comment section below. The viaduct will connect CBD through the lower part of Nairobi Expressway, and I hope you guys are aware of this project, the Nairobi Expressway, which is already open to the public. I've done videos on this, maybe you can check them out in case you haven't. And it is also expected to ease traffic from Ngong Road. So guys, I'll take you around this project or around this area for you to see the progress of this project. Though it seems that a minimal work is going on here, it's like the project is on standstill. The only progress I found here since the last time I was here, that is like one or so months ago, is that the digging of this part, you can see this area that is already dug, and I'm told this digging is all the way to NHIF. I didn't take that video, but what I was told. So this is the only new thing that I found in this place. The viaduct project itself is at standstill, if I may say. Maybe they are working on something, and maybe the project will continue from there. So guys, enjoy watching the video, and if you're loving this video so far, kindly give it a like.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Till next time, guys. Bye.